Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You want to begin by confirming where Python is running. Start with OS, getCould or path, CWD, to read the current working directory. Once you see it, change immediately using OS, chdire your /path or path your /path, chdire for a pathlib approach. In Jupyter notebooks, you can quickly verify with %pwd and alter context with %cd. Do this now, so subsequent file operations run against the directory you intend, rather than guessing where files will be read or written. Once you've set a working directory, make path handling explicit to avoid surprises. Use absolute paths or path relative. Resolve, so Python knows the exact target. When concatenating, prefer OS, path, join or pathlib /operator to remain cross-platform. For reusable scripts, anchor operations by computing base equals path file, parent and then refer to base/data or base/output. Also create missing folders with OS. Make dir's path exist OK equals true, so file writes won't fail mid-run. This guards to finish, always confirm the effective working directory with print path, CWD or OS, getCould, right after your change so you know the process context. Make that assignment part of script startup or wrap file operations in a context manager to prevent side effects. If something goes wrong, check file system permissions and whether a Jupyter kernel needs a restart. Also wrap sensitive operations in try/except to surface clear errors. That single troubleshooting tip, verify permission and kernel state, solves most mysterious path issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.